Here we have the diecast collectible Race Team Sarge. Sarge runs a surplus store called Sarge's Surplus Hut, and in Cars 2 the movie, Sarge saves the day by replacing Lightning McQueen's EMP fuel with the organic fuel blend. As we can see, the 95 detail on Race Team Sarge's side door is very detailed. Race Team Sarge's front grille, as well as his military star, is certainly very eye-catching. At $10 Australian, $5 US, the die-cast collectible is definitely well worth the money. Race Team Sarge's eyes are a great example of the excellent hand painting. Overall, I rate the die-cast Cars 2 Race Team Sarge collectible 8.5 out of 10.
Oh, I'm not scared of Francesco.